What is last mile delivery? In a product's journey from warehouse shelf to the back of a truck to a customer's doorstep, the last mile of delivery is the final step of the process. The point at which the package finally arrives at the buyer's door. Gabriel has you covered with a variety of amazing ride control solutions to keep your fleet moving and your drivers happy. Replacing your shocks and struts reduces tire wear and helps avoid serious issues such as tire cupping. It also keeps your drivers and cargo safe by improving braking distance and reducing shifts and loads. Replacing your ride control also improves fuel economy and helps you save on time and the ever-rising cost of fuel. Now, more than ever, driver retention is critical. That is why Gabriel is here to help you protect your number one asset, your drivers. Worn shocks and struts can make for a rough ride and a miserable workday. A smooth riding vehicle not only protects your cargo, but will also keep your drivers happy, safe, and working hard for your fleet. Gabriel offers a variety of solutions for popular applications, such as the Ford Transit, Ram ProMaster, and Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. One of our most popular products for last mile delivery vehicles is Gabriel Ready Mount Complete Strut Assemblies. Our Ready Mounts are easy to install and don't require any additional parts or equipment. They include chromed piston rods to inhibit corrosion and extend product life. Best of all, each Gabriel part is 100% fit and ride tested by our Answer Garage technicians to ensure exceptional real-world performance. For more information on last mile delivery, visit gabriel.com/lastmile and check out gabriel.com/where-to-buy to find a Gabriel supplier today. Gabriel has your last mile delivery covered.